Welcome to Options Trading Authority's SWIPER6 Options Micro Swing Trading System. Introduction and overview of this system. This system has become quite a powerful cash flow generator type of system, and you'll see some systems results in a few moments. But SWIPER6 is a micro trading or a micro swing trading system. What does that mean? We're going to trade the inside bars of the day bars, like 60-minute, 120-minute bars, those types of bars, and we're going to trade in a way that we're going to target this certain high probability price contraption setup, and we are going to look to identify this setup, anticipate the entry, and just simply hit it every time. Bam, 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 bam. And the potential profits can be astounding. See, what we can also do with micro swing trading is that we can also use shorter term options, and we can even go in the money some. So by going in the money with shorter term options some, we can get those high deltas very quickly. And that's very nice, because then we can go pull out chunks of cash out of the markets. For example, let's go take a look at some systems results. Scroll down here and you can see the overall screenshot of the results here. You can see in 2 months, okay, April through May, and you can see just from 2 months in Apple the opportunities that you have for just clipping off profits. And so you don't have to use Apple. You can, of course, use any stock you want, right? Whatever your favorite stock is and your favorite options are, just, you can use those. So you can see the options points accumulating, 118 points, which is ridiculously good for 2 months. Okay, and you can see here the accumulation of these points, and then you can see over here the approximated options points per stock point. So that factors in what premium decay, okay, on average, just average number. So it's a little under half. Now, of course, when you go further in the money, your deltas are going to be higher than what you see here. So you'll see more profit points. Then also you'll see, well, when you have the bigger gains, you're not going to have much of a premium decay issue as you dart quickly into the money. All right, so you can look down the scale. You can see the accumulation of the profit points here over 2 months. You have 10 contracts accumulation. Then in comparison, you have 100 contracts and 1,000 contracts. Don't know where you are in your account size. But of course, if you're starting with one contract, then hey, you got to start where you got to start. And you know what? It's not a bad idea. Just start off a new system with one contract. Just get used to it, and then eventually get up to your more idealized position sizing, and we teach position sizing as well. So you can see this now. Just imagine, what if you're able to do this for the rest of the year, okay? And here's just 2 months. So conceptually, you could say, well, we can just multiply that by 6 for potential results. So you can see here these nice new charts we figured out how to do, and you can see the visual and how the system's results grows. Okay, so systems results are based off the entry and exit mechanism of the system rules. All right, so you get when you buy this system, it's not software. Just as a reminder, people ask all the time. It's a home study course that teaches you the secrets, so you have the skill for life. You have this potential cash generation skill for life, okay, and that's very powerful. Okay, so that's about it. This is a system where you would engage more intraday. You don't have to glue your eyeballs to the monitor, but you have to glance over now and then, see the price, how it's developing. You have an entry, you just need to hone in and hit it, and that's about it. Now, this micro swing trading means that if you have a pattern, if you have an account under 25 grand, you're just going to have to not get in and out within the day, within 3 within the week, 3 times within the week. Sorry, it depends on your broker. And so most of these trades are overnight. The only time you get out quickly would be on a stop out, and you know, look, you're just gonna have to go with what you have to do. If you have to hold a trade, you have to hold the trade, or you can just skip a trade if you already got in and out. Then 2 times within the week. All right, so check with your broker though, and that's about it. So if you're interested in this system, putting some serious hands-on, going to battle cash flow to work without that much engagement and monitoring, then you'll want to look to put SWIPER6 to work for you. Okay, so again, it's micro swing trading. It gives you a lot of control, meaning that your average dollar risk, firstly, is lower than versus the day bars. Okay, and then also gives you more control because you're going inside price. You can get into a swing earlier and get out later to capture more profits. All right, thanks.